Once you've cleared the area of all the major debris, it's a good idea to go back with a broom and or a blower and just clean off all the loose stuff that you may have missed. Try to collect all that organic material and or dirt and sand, get it condensed into a pile and just get it out of the area just so you've got a cleaner surface to work with below. So what I'm trying to do is get all of the big chunks of rock and debris that the blower's not going to readily push. Get that off the wall so it's easier to contain and get this out of here. But just like anything, working with a clean surface is much better. And when we get to do the installation side, so that it helps prevent the tiles from sitting uneven. It's amazing how much debris collects over the years. But so we want to put these big old rocks out of here. Because just like the turf, they'll cause the tile to hump up and you'll feel